Hey everyone, welcome to my channel today. I'm excited to be talking about Fotor, an online photo editor who wants to edit their photos without having to download any software. It's an all-in-one tool for photo editing, graphic design, and even AI-powered features. So it's a powerful online photo editor and design tool that's perfect for all your creative needs, from basic edits like cropping and resizing to advanced features like HDR effects, AI photo enhancement, AI image generator, AI background remover, AI extender, AI enhancer, and AI photo enhancer. Fotor has it all. Plus, it's user-friendly, making it accessible to anyone who wants to create stunning visuals. So you can see here we have different AI tools like AI Upscaler Magic Eraser, a skin retouch text-to-image AI headshot generator face web, and much more. First of all, let's talk about AI image generator. Fotor AI Imaginator lets you turn text into captivating visuals with ease. Simply type your idea as a print, choose a style, be it digital art, photo, 3D, or painting, click generate, and watch your imagination come to life. You can download the image or share it. Whether it's illustrations, logos, or 3D renders, Fotor has got you covered, so make sure your parts are descriptive for the best results. Choose the aspect ratio. There are various aspect ratios: square, portrait, and landscape. Once generated, you can further edit, upscale, or refine your image within Fotor, so it's ideal for content creators, designers, and business owners. Fotor AI Image Generator helps you create high-quality visuals in no time. And next, I want to talk about AI Replacer. It's a powerful tool that allows you to effortlessly swap or remove elements in your images. Whether you want to change the background, replace object, just upload your image, select the area you want to modify. You can select the area by using the brush tool or auto selection. Once selected, simply enter a text prompt describing the changes you want, such as change to curly hair, and let Fotor AI do the magic. The tool instantly applies the transformation, blending it seamlessly with the rest of the image. This video feature is perfect for experimenting with different looks. Once done, you can download it into your PC. Fotor's Background Remover is an incredibly useful tool for removing backgrounds from your images. You can remove the background from any photo, leaving you with the crisp, transparent image that's ready to be used in various designs. Simply upload your image and the AI Power tool will automatically detect and remove the background. Once your background is removed, you can replace it with a solid color, another image, or keep it transparent. This feature is perfect for creating polished visuals without needing advanced editing skills. So the Background Remover tool lets you easily cut out the background of any image, giving you a clean slate to work with. Next, we have eExtender. It's a powerful tool designed to expand the boundaries of your image. Whether you want to extend a background, add more space around your subject, the AI extender makes it easy. Start by uploading your image and choosing the direction you want to extend, left, right, up, or down. Then let Fotor's AI seamlessly generate additional content that blends naturally with the existing image. This feature is perfect for adjusting aspect ratios, creating beautiful views, or simply adding more context to your photos. It's especially useful for designers and photographers who need to reframe or resize images without losing important details. With Fotor's extender, you can transform a simple image into a more dynamic and visually appealing piece. And next, we have old photo restoration. You can restore old photos, transform faded, damaged pictures into vibrant, clear images in just a few clicks. The AI automatically repairs damages, removes blurriness, and brings back to the original colors and details, giving your photos a new lease on life. Whether it's an old family portrait, a vintage landscape, or any photograph, simply upload your photo and let Fotor's AI handle the rest. The results are stunning with enhanced sharpness, color correction, and details. So whether you are editing photos, creating stunning graphics, or designing professional marketing materials, Fotor has everything you need in one place. Give it a try and see how it can take your creativity to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.